Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start this new series of CSS Grid. So, introducing the CSS Grid challenges. CSS Grid helps you easily build complex web designs. It works by turning an HTML element into a grid container with rows and columns for you to place your children elements where you want within the grid. So it simply divide the grid container in rows and columns, and we can place the children element wherever we want in the grid form. And the upcoming lessons which we can see here is this list. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.